Alright y'all, this is the TX Juice AI drone, and this is going to be my first outdoor flight with it, a little fix. And believe it or not, I purchased this thing in 2016 and never got to fly outdoors or anything. Kinda forgot about it, but this thing has a weird looking transmitter here. The transmitter has this TX Juice button on here that you press, and it makes this guy go into altitude hold, and it does work for the most part, but I won't try it out here because indoors I tried it once and this guy went straight to the ceiling and I had a hard time getting it down. So I'm just thinking that if that were to happen out here, it would just go straight up in the air. I wouldn't be able to get it back down or to fly away on me. So we're gonna look at this guy flying. It seems like it has a lot of pitch when I was flying it indoors. The yaw isn't too bad either. This guy has some stains on the propellers. This guy is 5 years old. And it has these little sensors on the bottom here. It has obstacle avoidance as well. I won't try that out here either. It works off infrared. And so we're gonna take this guy up, check him out. Haven't been able to successfully get this guy to do flips either, but it's supposed to do them. So let's see, it has a one button takeoff, but we're not going to try that either. Okay, we're in the first rate here. So it goes. And I was surprised that this is one of the earlier drones that I have, and it has the ability to toggle off altitude hold. So let's go into the higher rate. It has two rates. Okay, we're in the highest rate now. So check out the pitch on it. So the pitch is pretty good. Whoa. Acting a little weird on me though. Slight breeze out here, but not enough breeze that this thing should be acting weird on me. It's flying okay now. I think that was the accelerometer acting weird on me though. It's pretty fast. It's got a decent pitch to it. The lights are flashing for me to land this guy already. But I'm taking that as a false warning. I was flying it indoors and it did this, and I was flying it for 5 more minutes. Whoa. So hopefully this guy doesn't go down over there. It's funny when I try to slow down, it sort of puts on some brakes. Okay, it feels like you're getting weak. Just about time to bring this guy in. Let's bring it in. Have a look at it. The TX Juice AI drone. This thing is still available too on Amazon. Thanks for watching.